National Capital Region Metropolitan Manila Mayors. Caloocan, Mayor Dale Gonzalo, Along, Rigor Malapitan. Las Piñas, Mayor Imelda Mel Tobias Aguilar. Makati, Mayor Marlene Abigail Abe Sambilo Binay Campos. Malabon, Mayor Jenny ng Sandoval. Mandaluyong, Mayor Benjamin Santos Abalo Sr. Manila, Mayor Maria Sheila Honrado Honey Lacuna Pangan. Marikina, Mayor Marcelino Marcy Reyes Teodoro. Muntinlupa, Mayor Rosano Rufino Rafe Bunoan Biazon. Navotas, Mayor John Reynald Marcelo Tiangco. Parañaque, Mayor Eric De Leon Olivares. Pasay, Mayor Imelda Emi Galardo Calixto Rubiano. Pasig, Mayor Victor Maregis Vico Nobla Soto. Pateros, Mayor Miguel Afpon C. III. Quezon, Mayor Joy Belmonte. San Juan, Mayor Francisco Javier Francis Manlapit Zamora. Taguig, Mayor Maria Laarni Lani Lopez Cayetano. Valenzuela, Mayor Wesley West Ting Gatchalian.